Hello dear subscribers, they will tell us so how to fix this issue. So here you can see the application was unable to start correctly and this problem. So for fixing that, first thing, you can also just go to the settings. In the settings you just need tap here. Here you just need to tap on the apps, just choose optional features, just open more Windows features. Here you just need to check first and second one, and after just tap on OK, next, and finish. So after, you just need to open my computer, so just tap on Finder. After, you just need to tap on go to local disk. After, you just need to open Windows. Here you just need to find System32. After, you just need to find file with name X input. So let's just scroll down. This one. So you just need to delete it. Sorry, not this, but this one. You just need to delete it. After, you just need to go back and just find this one folder and just remove this file too from here. So this file to delete. And after you will delete it, you just need to open your Google Chrome. After, you just need to write here DirectX and user web installer and just tap on download. So after it will download it, after you just need to tap on it, just tap on yes, and just follow all the instructions I accept, next, and finish. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, goodbye.